Janabi Speaker, there's a poem written in World War II or after World War II, which I'd like to first repeat to you and then rephrase in light of what we are currently experiencing. First, they came for the socialists, and I did not speak out because I was not a socialist. Then they came for the trade unionists, and I did not speak out because I was not a trade unionist. And then they came for the Jews, and I did not speak out because I was not a Jew. And then they came for me, and there was no one left to speak out. ये एक पोम है, और जिस शख्स ने इस पोम को लिखा वो पहले उस रिजीम का नाजी रिजीम का एक हमायती था, फिर क्रिटिक बना और आखिरकार उसको भी कंसंट्रेशन कैंप में डाला गया। इस अक्टूबर से लेके, since October last year, we've seen a genocidal, apartheid imposing, expansionist regime conduct an ever-expanding war, which has the potential to drag us all towards World War III. This time, first they came for the Palestinians, but the world did not speak out because they weren't Palestinian. Then they came for the Lebanese, but we did not speak out because we were not Lebanese. And then they came for the Yemenis, but we did not speak out because we're not from Yemen. And now they have come for Iran. If we do not speak out, Mr. Speaker, there will be no one left when they come for us. The Israeli regime's aggression across the region must be stopped. We want to see the day where we can all live in peace, and we can only start working towards that peace if the Netanyahu regime is stopped from its illegal war with Iran, forced to abide by the terms of its withdrawal and ceasefire in Lebanon, and end its apartheid and genocide on Palestinian lands. As it continues to bomb Iran, the world must not forget that this Israeli regime, this Netanyahu regime, is currently carrying out the forced starvation of Palestinians in the Gaza Strip. जनाब स्पीकर, हमारे खित्ते में भी एक नेतन्याहू का सस्ती कॉपी है, और मैं फख्र से कह सकता हूं कि हमने इस सस्ती कॉपी को जंग के मैदान में हरवा दिया, सफारतकारी के मैदान में हरवा दिया और बयानिया के मैदान में हरवा दिया।